Hey everyone, and welcome to another video in our Lambda Test tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how you can integrate Lambda Test with the ClickUp project management platform. So ClickUp is a cloud-based project management and team collaboration platform that is used by everyone ranging from startups to enterprises. So if you're one of those users who are using both ClickUp and Lambda Test, this integration will make your life easier, a lot easier. To summarize, this integration will allow you to send bugs you find while testing on the Lambda Test platform directly to your ClickUp boards. So let's look into how you can do just that. Now before we begin, make sure you have an admin or user level access to manage integrations in your Lambda Test account. So the first step in this integration is to go to the Integrations tab. When you sign into the Lambda Test app, you find the Integration tab in the left navigation menu. Once you click on it, you'll find the list of apps that you can integrate with your Lambda Test account. Here, you can either find the ClickUp icon under the category of project management, or you can also look it up using the search bar among the list for quick access. Now click on the ClickUp icon to start the integration. The first step is to authenticate Lambda Test with your ClickUp account. You might be asked to log into your ClickUp account in case you're not already logged in. Once you're logged into ClickUp account, you can see the workspaces. Select the workspace you want to integrate and wait for the confirmation message. And that's it. The integration is done. You can confirm if the integration was successful or not by going back to the integration page in Lambda Test and check if the ClickUp integration is being reflected under the My Integration section. Alright, awesome. So now that we have your Lambda Test account integrated with your ClickUp workspace, let's see how you can push issues directly from Lambda Test to ClickUp through the Mark as Bug feature. Now, our Mark as a Bug functionality is there in all our different feature sets such as in real-time testing, screenshot testing, responsive testing, automation testing, etc. But to give you a better idea, here is an example of how you can use this integration in real-time testing. First, go to real-time testing, select a configuration, and launch the machine by clicking on Start. Once you have your website open, click on the Mark as a Bug button in the left toolbar to capture a screenshot. You can highlight the bug if you want to annotate it however you like. Next, click on Mark as Bug button in the bottom. This will open up a prompt that will allow you to fill in the details related to the bug that you can send into your ClickUp workspace. Here, you can select the workspace you wish to send the issue to, select the project, select a list, set priority, set a task name, etc. And once you click the button, Create an Issue, all this information will be sent to the ClickUp board along with the screenshot as an attachment. And you're done. To give you an idea of how this issue will look like in ClickUp, let's look at the ClickUp board. As you can see, the bug has all the details we entered along with the details about the testing environment and a screenshot of the bug. But that's not all. You also find a hot link to open up the environment this issue was found in. If you click on the link, the same environment that this issue was found on will open up where you or anyone in your team with the Lambda Test account can reproduce the issue. You can even log bugs to ClickUp from your automation dashboard at Lambda Test like this. Now after this integration, you make changes in your ClickUp account, like add new projects, lists, users, etc. You may have to refresh your integration. But don't worry, that does not mean doing the whole integration. You just have to do a click. Go to Integrations tab from the left navigation menu. You will see ClickUp as your currently integrated tool. There you will find the Resync button. You can use the Resync option to refresh your integration and workspace. It will help you import your newly created projects, lists, etc. into your Lambda Test account. Now remember, you will get a successful message once the resync is complete. Want to integrate with some other app? That's pretty simple as well. You just need to remove the ClickUp integration. To do so, click on the Remove button in the My Integration section. We also have great documentation around this integration. You can find the link to documentation in the description below. Also, if you face any challenge in the integration, Feel free to reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. If you're using any other platform than ClickUp, then do check out our complete integration list. We have integrations with all major project management tools. If you don't find it in the list, feel free to reach out to our support and we would be happy to help you in getting the integration in place. Thanks for being with us so far, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with new features and integrations with Lambda Test platform. Happy testing!